Hi, I'm Josh from Procaffe, and I'm here to show you how to clean your Franke A coffee machine. This cleaning process can be used for both the Franke A400 and A600 coffee machines. Here today, we have a Franke A600 coffee machine. To begin the cleaning process, press the Franke symbol in the top left-hand corner of the screen. Then, you must enter your security code. The security code is 4 ones. Then press OK. Click the Cleaning and Maintenance button at the bottom of the screen. A menu will appear. Then select Clean Coffee Machine. If you're ready to clean your coffee machine, please select Yes. From here, instructions will appear on the screen. Open the door by pressing the silver button at the top and sliding open. The first step in cleaning the coffee machine is using the Franke brush to clean the brew unit. The brush is used to scrape off coffee inside of the brew unit. The Franke brush is specifically designed to do this. Once you've brushed all of the contents into the grounds container, now empty the grounds container. After removing the grounds container, unlock the brew unit. To do so, turn the red lever sideways. Next, remove the brew unit, pulling the unit out and up. The unit is now ready to be cleaned with hot water. Once cleaned, the unit should be replaced. Ensure that the hole is at the back of the unit. The lip is facing forwards. Tilt the brew unit, slide and lift. If the unit does not lock into place or the red lever remains sideways, the unit is not in the correct position and needs to be removed. The next step is to replace the grounds container and close the door. Next, we're going to remove the dispenser head and clean. To remove, squeeze down on the sides and wiggle. Once out, the dispenser head should be cleaned with hot water. After this, it's time to insert the cleaning tablet. The cleaning tablet goes with a special section. After inserting the cleaning tablet, press Continue. For the next step, you will need to open the fridge and remove your milk. Insert the milk line into your cleaning jug and press Continue. Now we need to empty the contents of the jug. Pour 50 ml of solution into the jug. Place the jug into the fridge and close the fridge and press Continue. The machine will now run itself. You may walk away from the machine at this stage and wait until it is finished. After the cleaning cycle is completed, we must remove the cleaning jug. After removing the cleaning jug, we will replace it with fresh milk. From here, we will need to prepare the milk system. Once again, we will press the Franke symbol. We will go again to the cleaning and maintenance section. Here, we will select Prepare Milk System. From here, we will select Starting and Yes. Well, there you have it. Your machine should now be clean, fully operational, ready for everyone in the office to begin to enjoy their Procaffe coffee favourites. Thanks for watching this video, and thanks again for supporting Procaffe, the workplace coffee specialist.